Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove or replace lock screen shortcut for camera and phone in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. See here, when I put lock screen and if I again would like to open it, there will be a shortcut, camera shortcut on the right side and on the left side phone shortcut is available, that is a dialer shortcut is available. So if you want to replace them, you can do it. When you swipe from this icon, that is lock screen shortcut, camera lock screen shortcut on the right side, it will directly open camera, and without putting lock screen pattern, you can just take a photo. This will be useful when you don't know pattern, or if you forget pattern and if you would like to instantly capture one moment, you can use it. Okay, but if you would like to remove this function or replace this function, you can do it. For that, I would like to go to settings and click on lock screen, and here you go to select shortcuts. Just if you turn off these shortcuts, then there will be no shortcuts of camera on the right side and phone icon on the left side, so they are removed. And if you would like to replace it with other functions, you can do it. Yes, you can replace camera with other functions like opening any specific app or any other function in your phone itself. You can do it. For that, again go to settings and lock screen, and keep shortcuts is turned on, and click over shortcuts, and in the left shortcut by default it is fixed as phone, and if you want to replace this phone shortcut with any other, you can do it. Just click over it, click on the left shortcut, and also you can left shortcut itself turn off. Okay, only see here, right shortcut is active. There is no left shortcut on lock screen. So if you would like to replace left shortcut, then you can do it. I would like to replace it with calculator. So left shortcut is replaced by calculator. Phone is replaced by calculator now. In a similar way, you can turn off right shortcut or replace right shortcut alone. So here I turn off right shortcut alone, and there will be no right shortcut, camera shortcut on the lock screen. See here on the right side, there is no shortcut, camera shortcut, because I have turned it off. Suppose you can replace it with other function like torch. So torch light will glow now. See here, camera is replaced by torch, and phone icon is replaced by calculator. So you can directly access calculator without putting pattern. You can go to calculator. So if you do urgent calculation, you don't know, you delay to put your pattern, you can immediately pick up it and do the calculation. So for emergency purpose, you can use two shortcut functions on lock screen. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.